Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Listening and Learning. Hope all are fine. Kindly subscribe the channel and watch the videos. Let's go to today's video. Today's story name is Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves. They flew from place to place in search of food, led by their king. One day they had flown a long distance and were very tired. We cannot fly any further, said the oldest dove. Just a little more, then we can rest, said the king dove, urging them to fly a little further. The smallest dove of the flock picked up speed and flew ahead. Look, he said happily, there is some rice scattered under that big banyan tree. So all the doves flew to the banyan tree and landed under it. They gladly began to eat. After a while, the smallest dove tried to fly to another place, but he couldn't move his feet. Oh dear, his feet were caught in a net. The other doves tried to move their feet too, but they tumbled and fell over. We all are trapped in a hunter's net, said the oldest dove. What shall we do now? The doves fluttered their wings hard, trying to get out, but they couldn't. The hunter will catch us all, cried the smallest dove when he saw the hunter walking towards them. The king had an idea. Let us try and fly together, said the king. At the count of 3, flap your wings together as hard as you can. So, when the king dove counted 3, they all flapped their wings together. Soon the net began to rise. In a short time, they were flying off, carrying the net with them. The hunter looked up in great surprise. He tried to follow them, but they were flying high over the hills and villages. The hunter gave up the chase. The doves flew to a forest nearby where a mouse lived. He was a good friend of the king dove. As soon as the doves landed on the ground, the king dove called his friend. The mouse was happy to see them. In no time, the mouse nibbled and cut the entire net with his teeth and set them free. They happily thanked the mouse and flew away together. Hope all liked the story. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.